Hey everyone, if your Yahoo Mail inbox is overflowing and you want a fresh start, this video is for you. We will walk you through step by step how to delete all emails in your account quickly and easily. This way, you can clean up your inbox fast. Now, Yahoo Mail is a free web-based email service that started in 1997. It has over 200 million users and offers features like lots of storage, spam filtering, mobile apps, and sometimes the option to connect other email accounts like Gmail or Outlook. Yahoo Mail helps us send, receive, and organize messages for both personal and work use. We can add attachments, get spam protection, and use other Yahoo services together for a smooth online experience. We will guide you step by step on how to delete all emails from your Yahoo account. Even if you are new, you can follow along. First, open your browser. Go to yahoo.com. When you are on the main page, log into your account. When you are logged in, look at the upper right corner for the mail logo or envelope icon. Click on this. Now you will see your emails. To delete all the emails, click on this option. After you select a few, scroll down. You need to scroll down to select all the emails you want to delete. Keep checking down to the last emails you have. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom of your emails. When you reach the bottom, just click the trash logo. Delete these emails. Be sure to delete them permanently. You will see the progress as Yahoo deletes your emails. All the selected emails will be deleted automatically. We delete Yahoo Mail to close the account if we do not need it anymore, protect our personal information, and stop anyone else from getting in. This process also stops emails from coming to that address and removes your data from Yahoo services over time. Remember, once your emails and data are deleted, they are permanently gone. So back up anything important before you start.